All right, folks, here's just a quick tip for you. It's called Quick Tip, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. When you're trying to put rubber hoses on aluminum lines or copper or anything like that, working with water heaters or anything like that, your aqua hot system, your front water heater core up front, rubber hose onto steel. There's a trick because they get tight. You can put a little bit of grease on the inside of the hose, but not much because you don't want to slide it off later. But here's how to push it on even better. Turn the camera. You want to find an open end wrench. Now this is a 5/8 inside diameter hose. That means the ID inside is 5/8. So you put this on and you push the hose up, and that will push it onto the other pipe. This is just a quick tip to help you out. Once again, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Hopefully that helped you in some of your struggles trying to fix your RVs and your own vehicles. Once again, you can watch me on this YouTube channel. You can get a hold of me at my garage at Seaford, Delaware 19973, or on the website www.rvdiagnostics.com. This is one-on-one, you and I, and you're learning how to be self-sufficient with your coach. And pretty soon, after you work with me for a while on that website, you won't need me no more. But I'll still be there. And the other one is the Facebook page, which is ever growing. This is November the 11th, 2020, and we're getting ready. I think we're like 210 members short of 15,000 members. Thank y'all out there for making this grow. Remember, my motto is test not guess, and the other one is safe travels and may your campfire burn bright. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.